Everyone, I'm Rajkiran Marathe, and today's video topic is string concept in the Java programming language. In Java, string is basically an object that represents the sequence of character values. An array of a character works same as a Java string. Method to perform operations on a string such as a compare, concat, equals, split, then length, replace, compare to, intern, substring, etc. The Java.lang strings class implements the serializable, comparable, and char sequence interface. Then generally a string is a sequence of characters, but in the Java programming language, string is an object that represents a sequence of characters. The Java.lang.string class is used to create a string object. Then we can talk about how to create a string object. There are two ways to create a string object. First one is by string literal, and second one is by new keyword. The first one is a string literal. Java string literal is created by using a double quotes. Each time you create a string literal, the JVM checks the string constant pool first if the string already exists in the pool. A reference to the pool instance is written. If the string does not exist in the pool, then the new string instance is created and placed in the pool. For example, string s1 equals to welcome, and string s2 equal to welcome 1. It doesn't create a new instance. Then the next one is by creating in the our example only one object will be created. Firstly, JVM will not find any string in the value welcome in a string constant. That is why it will create a new object. After that, it will find a string with the value welcome in the pool. Then the second one is by a new keyword. String s equals to new string welcome. It creates two object and one reference variable. In such case, JVM will create a new string object in a normal, which is non-pool, heap memory, and the literal welcome will be placed in the literal constant pool. The variables will refer to the object in a heap. Java string class methods are the Java.lang.string class provide many useful methods to perform operation on a sequence of a char value, whereas the character first one is char, second one is int length, then another one is a static string, then static string format. Thank you. That's all about the string concept in the Java programming language.